Headphone users, please turn your sound down.
Hey Elkie, this is Steven and you're watching Train War Pranks.
That's right, this guy attached some big fucking horns to his car. Let's see what he can do.
God. The dad jumped more, that's epic. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wow.
Yeah. Oh my god, that was amazing.
Really? Yep. What the f was that?
Okay.
I got the good one.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Go?
Yeah. There you go.
Go. Oh my god!
She's all. Should record that on front. They're not even looking.
That was funny though, they were actually
She's like, where the hell did that come from? They're both looking. You still recording the game? Yeah, I'm still recording. She's looking at us.
Wait a minute.